Breaking news coming in. Aryan Khan in NCB custody for 72 hours. We've got inside track of Aryan Khan's NCB grilling. Aryan and Arbaz are both being grilled together by the NCB. Sources have revealed that Aryan's consuming food from NCB's mess and has gotten his clothes from his house at the moment. Joint grilling is going on. Saurabh Akhtania breaking the story first on India Today is now joining us. Saurabh, what is the inside track that you're picking up as far as the grilling of Aryan and Arbaz together is concerned? What can you add to the story? What is the breaking news that is coming in at the moment, Saurabh?
So, well, Aryan and Arbaz are very good friends. They are friends for last 15 years and they have always been together. It was only Arbaz who had called Aryan to this particular cruise party. That is what Aryan is alleging. And now it is over 72 hours that Aryan Khan, son of Shah Rukh Khan, is with the custody of NCB official. Let me show you the visuals of the NCB office. And here at the second floor, this is where Aryan Khan is right now placed under arrest. He's over here. The clothes have been brought from his home. Food is not brought from the home because for that the court permission is required. So he's having food from the mess over here. Other thing is that Aryan Khan is actually cooperating with the cops over here. He's been answering all the questions which the cops are asking him. He's also given a written statement to the NCB official. Let me tell you that this is a 4-page written statement by Aryan Khan. But what the NCB officials here are saying that all these accused here right now and 2 of the drug peddlers who are arrested, they were directly in contact with each other. They were talking with each other. They are speaking to each other with code names on WhatsApp chats, and therefore to grill them one by one and to grill them together is very important. And therefore this is what right now it is happening, that first, the accused have been questioned single by one. Officers are designated. They are taking down all their statement. Later on, by one-on-one, after finishing the one-on-one statement, then they have been brought together, and then this questioning is happening. They want to know that how long Arbaz and Aryan and the others were in touch with these drug peddlers. Was there any international drug trafficking racket in this whole case? That is what the NCB officials are actually questioning right now. The most important part over here is that the NCB is still raiding some places, not just in Mumbai, but also in Navi Mumbai area. This is very important because the cops are saying us that there are few more arrests which are likely to happen, and also the cruise owners are under scanner. A second summon is already sent to them because they will be questioned that how this whole party was organized, how these people went into this cruise, which was a high facility, high safe zone area, how this drugs went into the ship. So lot of things need to be answered. Already 4 people from the organizer are inside. They have been questioned, yet not arrested, but they have been detained. They are right now been questioned. So lot of development we are expecting.
All right, hold on right there. Saurabh getting us the inside track of all that is transpiring as far as NCB grilling Aryan and Arbaz is concerned. Let me